Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Cured by Julep reviews. Guys, this video will help you know whether this product Cured by Julep is legit or a scam one. If you have not purchased this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to this question, should I buy this product or not. Friends, if you have received and experienced any fraud with this product, watch our video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before sharing the way, let's find out more details of the product here. Guys, here you can see this Cured by Julep super size 4-piece nail treatment kit along with bag. This is the picture of the product. Guys, with the help of this product, you can get nail treatment from the comfort of your home. Guys, you can do a perfect DIY manicure with the help of Take a Breather Oxygen Nail Treatment in Sheer Pink and Sheer Pearl, along with Brighter is Better Oxygen Nail Treatment and What Your Nail Needs Natural Strengthener. These 4 magical products will help you get the manicure you deserve. It is the best selling product, guys. Breather and Brighter, they are the best formulas and are now new and improved, featuring hexanil with oxygen technology along with vitamin B5, C and E. It is a complete nail care kit in one bottle. Take a Breather Oxygen Nail Treatment is the ideal option for women who want to give their nail a break between color and who want a more finished look with just a hint of color, and therefore Sheer Pink and Sheer Purple can give a classic manicure look to their nails. Guys, moving further, the most important thing while you buy any product is to look for the legitimacy checkpoints, which I'm going to share with you. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Well, moving further, guys, the usage of the product is very simple. You have to apply 1 or 2 layers of Take a Breather Oxygen Nail Treatment on clean nails, and for better result, make sure you remove the nail polish with nail polish remover and reapply once or twice a week. Wear alone for best results. You can apply 1 coat of Brighter is Better Oxygen Nail Treatment over your bare nails for a subtle look, or 2 coats to give them a brighter look. Apply it again once or twice a week and wear alone for best result. Moving further, guys, this is the packaging where you will get Take a Breather Oxygen Nail Treatment in Sheer Pink, Take a Breather Oxygen Nail Treatment in Sheer Pearl, Brighter is Better Oxygen Nail Treatment along with What Your Nails Need Natural Strengthener, a bag. These 5 items are available at a cost of $43.96 along with shipping and handling charges, which is $3.50. Well, guys, the website QVC.com, which is selling this product, is around 25 years old. Also, guys, this website, the product which is sold on this website, has a great social media presence. You will find Facebook, Instagram filled with these Cured by Julep products. But guys, talking about the customer reviews, we found mixed customer reviews. A lot of customers have complained that they haven't received the product after complaining more than 10 to 12 times. Not even they are cleared with the refund and return policy of the product. Moving further, guys, there are customers who have complained that this product is far expensive and they can get a better substitute at a far cheaper rate. So guys, overall this product is not a good deal, and you will find a lot of other substitutes at a very cheap rates. Even customers have stated that parlor manicure and salon manicure is way cheaper than this product. Though guys, this product is 100% legit, it is not a pocket friendly product. Guys, if you are looking for a money back option, Please don't forget to visit the link which is given in our description box. Go through the link properly. Do comment your thoughts over the video. Guys, make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you. Have a nice day.